What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing fine. It's been a long time that I've been gone. Things are not easy in Iran. So I'm trying to create content, but when things getting hard, it's get a little bit hard for me to stay on track. But I'm getting back and I'm using this platform for actually grow myself in here. So right now in this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a very smooth and animated website for yourself. Like, let's go to this website and I'm going to show you what kind of website that I'm talking about. Let's go to the award website. Here we go. This is a website that is giving the ratings of website's design, right? So it shows which website has its very best design. You can even use it as an inspiration for your own website or for your own business or any project that you're looking for, right? So let's go. Let's say if you want to go through some niches, let's go to explore. Let's go to by categories or by technology, and let's go with technology. Or yeah, this is based on the coding and the framework, so we don't need that. Let's go for let's go with architecture. Yeah, I like this one because it had some very unique feeling into it. So we have some very cool scene and imagery in this. So I like kind of this one and with this, and yeah, this one is perfect also. So let's just yeah, let's go with this one and see what kind of website that we want to see in here. Okay, where can I see the website? Oh, here we go. Let's click on the visit site. And yeah, I need VPN. Sorry about that, guys. Being in Iran is not it's not actually easy. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this size looks cool. You see this? This smoothness and the movement of it and the boldness of the text, and with this hovering hovering the cursor, and it's like a magazine, right? It's look cool. And the imagery. Let's refresh it. This one, hopefully it's going to run. Yeah. And the loading is great, actually. Here we go. And yeah, so even have some effect by scrolling. When I scroll with my mouse, it has the same effect in here, and it feels like a magazine. That's actually very cool to watch. So for any other businesses, we can create these websites. And as we all see in Instagram and YouTube and any other places, there are some paid tools and other creators promoting them. But what if I want to use them for free and I want to use them inside of my agent, inside of my own computer? So how can I do that? So let me show you one of my projects in here that I created before. Here we go. This is in Persian language. Let me change it to, so yeah, it's not changed. Yeah, I didn't add it an English version of this website, but as you can see, even in other languages, in like Persian or Arabic, you can even create this kind of websites. And as you can see, it's like a building in here, and when I scroll, it turn and use it as a playable video. And as you can see, I even created a chart in here, even though the AI has come up with it. And yeah, the best thing is you can do it in any language for any kind of website or for any other niches or any other industry. So how do we do that? Okay, before I'm going to show you how to do it, you need to learn some kind of the frameworks and the coding that is behind it. So first of all, we need to learn about Three.js and 3D WebGL scenes. Okay, as it says, Three.js is a JavaScript library that makes it much easier to build interactive 3D scene in a browser. Okay, so this is actually based on the container is for all 3D objects, lights, environments, settings, and for even camera defines the user viewpoint, the mesh that is like a visible 3D objects, geometric materials, render draws the scene from the camera viewpoint into the HTML canvas. So it gives you a 3D and real life cloaking. So that's what is doing. So we saw it actually over here. So by the scrolling, so and the scroll effects are another thing, but like this one. When I move my house over there and my mouse over there, so you can see by interaction, right? So the other thing that you have to understand is the phrase scroll effect or scroll trigger, right? When I scroll, something is going to happen and something that is out of the ordinary. We never scroll and something from right to left is going to happen, or left to right, or anything else. So this is called scroll trigger. The other thing is called Lenis. Lenis is, as you already seen here, in web development, Lenis is a lightweight, open source, smooth scrolling library. It makes normal browser scrolling feels more fluid and give you precise control over scroll-driven animations, especially useful when pairing Doom content with Three.js and WebGL scenes. Okay, now you understand what these phrases are. Why do I show you these phrases? Because you need to use it to give the AI to build this thing for you, right? So I write down a prompt for you, so you can use it for any of your projects to create any Web3 animations, 3D animations, and scroll effects, or any of it. Okay, so this is it. I give it the instruction on install GSAP and ScrollTrigger and Lens first, the Three.js, and use Theatre.js for the fine-tuning cinematic timeline, and install the iart.ai motion skills because the AI can use these skills for write themselves, and it already used the study real Awwwards websites inspiration for pattern recognition. So I give it this all, and with that you can give it for any AI to do, but this is not all of it, right? You still need images, the cool images. You still need videos, but not any other videos. You can use MP4 or any other formats, but you better to use WebP, right? And WebP has bring the capacity of the image and the videos down, but it's going to use the same quality inside of your website. So that's why I'm asking you to use those formats. And that's it. I want you to use this prompt for yourself and give me the result. And if it's not fit for you, just let me know. I'm going to show you the full tutorial on how I build any of this thing and how do I come up with the imagery and come up with the footage and use AI to create any cinematic, right? But the best one is to use this one, right? And just let me know. And thank you guys for watching me and watch this video until now. Hopefully this video gives you value, and I'm gonna push myself to make more videos for you. So yeah, and I see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.